Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to replay the brake booster for 2016 Nissan Road. Follow me to see. Thank you. Xin chào các bạn ha. Bữa nay mình có chiếc xe 2016 các bạn, Nissan Road các bạn. Mình thay cái brake booster các bạn. Của chân lái cái đạp thắng các bạn ha. Các bạn cố gắng theo dõi mình ha. Brand new fresh booster bạn, mới luôn các bạn ha. Cái bộ là brake booster các bạn, trong hộp luôn, brand new. I just take the battery and air cleaner box to clear to open before I get the brake master cylinder and brake booster out. Mình mới lấy cái bình để ra các bạn, với lấy cái air cleaner các bạn, cái lược gió đồ ra để nó có chỗ để mình lấy cái booster ra các bạn. Brake master cylinder have two nuts, 13mm nut with a 13mm wrench. Get your nut out before you get the brake master cylinder. Inside the car, they have four nut. You know, so it's 13mm too. After you get four nut out, they hold the brake booster. I have to take it out before I take the brake booster out. Các bạn trong nó có 4 cái con ốc các bạn đó, để nó giữ cái brake booster. Các bạn bây giờ lấy 4 đó mới lấy được cái brake booster ra các bạn ha. Here is the new brake booster. See, they have the 4 nuts in here to hold the brake booster. That's why I have to take it out inside. Get it out. I have to take it like that. You have to go this way before you get it out. See, that's the only way you can go. See that, my friend? That's the only way you can go there. Thank you, John. Yeah. Okay, now I have to take the old adapter on the brake booster to put on the new brake booster. They use the nut 13mm. See that? I have to take that one to put on the new one. On the new one, they don't have the adapter. 13 millimeter nut. We have 4.
Don't forget the seal for the master cylinder.
Yeah, master cylinder.
Yes.
Not the booster.
Not the booster, no. Master cylinder. I was just being polite.
Oh, no, I still have the transmission.
Okay, you can knock that out real quick just so I can test drive it?
Is there coolant on it?
Is there what?
Coolant hose?
No.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Video chấm hết các bạn. Cảm ơn các bạn đã theo dõi ủng hộ kênh của Ba Lát ha. Cũng quên chúc các bạn một ngày vui vẻ hạnh phúc bên gia đình. Xin chào.